Today I'm here to show you something about the landscapes, to tell you something about the landscape. How do you begin to do the landscape? Okay, and that too using just few pencils. Okay, to begin with, we'll just have a normal 2B pencil. Okay, now how do we draw a landscape? The first thing which comes into your mind is, where do I draw? Suppose I say I'm drawing a house. Where do I draw the house? Is it I'm drawing here or here or here? I don't know where to draw. So you'll be really, in a fix. Like you don't know what to do, where to draw. So there is something called a horizon line. Now, what is this horizon line? This horizon line is very, very important. It's going to guide you throughout your landscape as to where to uh, position your elements, your things, where to position on your page. Okay. Now, for example, suppose, okay, let me take another page. I'll show you. Okay, this page is just blank. I'll show you. Now the horizon line. Now what is a horizon line? I'll show you. The horizon line is just an imaginary line. Now I'm going to draw the horizon line here. Okay, this is called as the horizon line. Now what does it do? Okay, it has divided the page into two parts. That is the top part and the bottom part. The top part is small, the bottom part is big. Now what tells you what is this horizon line? What does it do for you? Now you take a camera or a mobile phone, you go onto your balcony or to a terrace, go stand there and just try to take a picture or look through the camera. At the far distance, you can see that the land is almost meeting the sky, touching the sky, but it is not touching the sky. It's just an imaginary line which is just dividing the picture into sky and the land. That place, that line which just divides the sky, the picture, is called as a horizon line. Okay, now if I tell you to draw a house, where will you draw? Is it there or here? Yes, obviously you will be drawing it down there because this is the sky. Okay, and this is the land. Okay, yeah. Now it's so easy to place all your things wherever you want. Like suppose they say you want to have a house. Yes, you can place the house over here. Okay, so you, without fear, without any doubt, you will have your house here, right? Now same thing, suppose you want to draw a tree. You won't draw a tree on the sky, you will start drawing the tree here, right? Okay, a simple sky, the tree. I'm just saying that. Now even here you can have a tree over here, the land and whatever. Now suppose I say you want to draw water. Okay, fine, I'm going to draw kind of a water over here, say maybe a river or something like that. See, now this is the land. See how nicely I have divided it. This is supposed to be the land again. This is the water. Okay, so that's the river water. Okay, that's the river water. Now this is the sky. Now whatever you want to do over here, suppose you want to do mountains. Of course, obviously the mountains are on the earth, but it just points out to the sky. So I'm just going to draw the mountains over here. Okay, so see how beautifully I have done the landscape. See, I have done that. This is the landscape. This is the work of the horizon line. It really guides you to place your elements on your landscape. Now, did you understand what is the horizon line? Yes, I'm sure you all have understood. If you all not have understood, please call me or WhatsApp to me on 98450211185. I am Madhat Khan from Shinjo Arts. I've been taking classes from donkey's years, maybe say 32, 33 years. Okay. So there's no doubt at all that you have not understood. I'm sure you have understood. Okay, see you next. In the next episode, I will show you how to really do the landscape, shade them, and bring the landscape to life. Right? Okay, thank you. Bye bye.